Hey folks, Farmer Joe here, coming at you fresh from the field. Well, actually, I'm coming at you fresh from the irrigation pond, which, as you can see, is getting really low. In the beginning of the season, the high water level mark is up to here, right? So this is how much water we have at the beginning of the season, and here we are in August after this drought, and the pond is getting really empty. So the goal is to double the size of the pond, to double the amount of water that we can have, because this year is a drought. But actually, the first 2 years we were here, in 2020 and 2021, we didn't get any water from mid-May until middle of August. So even more of a drought than we had this year. Luckily, we didn't have as many acres in production, so we had enough water. But if we had another drought like those 2 years, it would have been catastrophic. So we still have a little water left in the pond, just enough to get through the end of the season. But we need to build resilient food systems, and part of that is landscape management and creating the water catchment capacity so that we can store rainwater from the winter and the snow melt to make it through even the toughest droughts and to allow us to grow food here in Ottawa in these changing climatic conditions. So donate today, help us out. This is a community effort, and the reason for that is that we're basically putting money in a hole in the ground, literally, and we don't own the land. So when we leave, this pond will continue to stay here and be of service to the local community for generations to come. So generations to come is a community effort, and we're all going to come together and, make it happen. Get this pond dug. All right, folks, thank you, and we'll see you later.